Meet Rana. She is a student. Rana graduated this year, but she doesn't want to stop learning and is eager to get more knowledge. She is searching for many things to teach at the same time. Luckily, she found a solution. With company name, you can easily learn and teach any subject anytime and anywhere. You can easily create and deliver tasks, live classes, conferences with our virtual classroom. Our advantages: convenience and flexibility, variety of programs, transfer careers. So don't lose time. Learn and teach with us.